You took my shame, you bore my pain. Love poured out like endless rain. On the cross, my heart was healed, grace revealed, your blood has sealed. You reached into my brokenness, lifted me from emptiness. Now I stand forever free, redeemed by love's eternity. Blessed Redeemer, my soul belongs to you. You've made me whole, you've made me new. In your mercy, my heart finds rest. Jesus, my Savior, I am blessed. The nails, the crown, the crimson